friends, this is Dr. Pradnya. This video is related to my previous video, which was lifestyle modification, and I have explained 4 aspects in lifestyle modification. So today is the second aspect. The last video I explained the diet and eating patterns, how you can follow, which are the important factors to follow your eating habits. Today I am telling you about the exercise or the workout, important things. Lifestyle modification has 4 aspects which are really everyone has to follow that. For first is the diet, second is the exercise, third one your psychological status, and the fourth one is your sleeping patterns. So we are talking about the exercise pattern today. So friends, everyone knows that the exercise पैटर्न्स मीन्स वॉट कि आपको डेली एक्सरसाइज करना है, डेली या वीकली थ्राइज और 4 times इन अ वीक. सो कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप when you will be consistent doing any form of exercise, then your consistency will convert into your likings. When you will be start liking doing exercise every day, then your liking conversion will be towards your habit. And when once you will develop your habit doing exercise every day or regularly, then after that you can see that the habit will convert into the addiction. And once you will get addicted to do exercise, then you will be the consistent person or a regular person to do exercise. In that phase you will never give excuses not to do any exercise. First. Second, prior to perform any form of exercise, there are 2 important points according to the Ayurveda or according to the holistic approach. When your body should be very flexible, you make your body flexible first and then jump to the intense exercises or intense workout. Second, you need to improve your muscle strength. If you don't have a proper muscle strength and if you start sudden exercises, then it can create a pain or it can harm to your muscles or ligaments or tendons. So prior to that, 2 things: make flexibility, second strengthen your muscles, and then jump to the any higher intense or extraordinary form of workout or exercises. But of course, in any form of exercises you need to be consistent. I usually prefers and advise to do a yoga form, regular basis yoga form, which will give you a best flexibility and the health and muscle strengthening. So these 3 things are important in exercise pattern. Apart from that, there are 3 steps of exercises. One is a stretching exercises, second is the pressure, and third one is a twisting. So if you are performing day 1 stretching, then perform day 2 pressure and day 3 twisting. So similarly, if you will follow simultaneously, if you will follow stretching, pressure and twisting, this is the complete form of workout or exercise to improve your flexibility, strengthen your muscle and make you fit. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. The third point which I'm going to explain you in my third video, which is very important, about the psychological status or the stress management. So how you can manage your stress or maintain your stress to do a regular lifestyle modification. Thank you so much.